On Booth Street, classic Burlington character is on full display, and this home is one of the standouts. From the covered front porch, step inside a space that balances preserved historic details with thoughtful updates. Refinished hardwood floors anchor the main level, while softwood flooring upstairs adds warmth and texture. The rooms are generous by Old North End standards, with a formal living room flowing into a study lined with beautiful built-ins, and a dining room that feels made for long meals and conversation. The kitchen is bright and functional, with updated appliances, freshly painted cabinetry, and modern open shelving that keeps things feeling current while respecting the home's roots. Practical improvements have been handled with care. Extensive electrical upgrades, 200 amp service with car charger, plaster repair, asbestos abatement, and a replaced water line to the street. Work you don't always see, but absolutely feel. Out back, the fenced yard catches great sun and is filled with perennial gardens, an easy extension of the living space when warmer months roll in. Set in Burlington's Old North End, this location puts local shops, parks like nearby Pomeroy Park, downtown, Church Street, and the Lake Champlain waterfront all within easy reach. Bike paths, beaches, and lakefront parks just minutes away. This is a home with history, heart, and smart updates, ready for its next chapter.